What's good, everybody? I'm TKC. You're watching Waffle in It, and this is today's vlog. I ate Bhima's cold coffee review. I'm just doing reviews and reviews. Prediction: How will it be?
I don't think it'll be good.
You don't think it'll be good?
I don't like coffee.
You don't like coffee, Harshan. Prediction: how will Bhima's coffee be? Come in the frame, ra.
Hello.
How will the Bhima's coffee be?
I hope it's edible, bro. I mean, Bhima's is not known for its coffee.
Cold coffee, right? It's actually good. Unk's known for making cold coffees.
Oh wait, was it just coffee before he started making it?
Yeah, aight, bro, aight. Nah. Okay, so cold coffee review. The coffee is cold. Shout out Bhima's uncle. Go buy his coffee. I'd rate this like a solid 9.5 out of 10. Coffee. Cold coffee. Have it. Alright. Please have cold coffee. Also, Bhima sponsor me. I'm just gonna sponsor farm. 50 subscriber sponsor. Bhima sponsor. Yeah. For real. Nah, but seriously, try this coffee. It's cold. Pun intended. Yeah, eat it.
Texture looks good. 90 minutes, huh? 90 minutes. I'm still on the first module. Oh my god. I'm going to do it after the 20th. Texture looks good. They made these pancakes bigger than they usually are, but maybe they've added a little bit of extra Valentine's love over it because
You want that?
it's the only love I'll get. It tastes better than usual, which is good. Order the pancake today.
Rating out of 10.
8.5. It's usually a 7, or it's usually a 6 or a 7. It's usually a 6. It's usually a 6, but it's like an 8 today.
Thank you. So that was a GITAM canteen review from Anushka. But yeah, right now, I'm making a movie. So I've written the script down. I'm trying to write a screenplay. So yeah, official announcement. TKC Films. Yeah. So wait for more info, I guess. I'm just writing them scripts down. Yeah, I hate the selfie camera, bro. I hate that you can't flip cameras in iPhone. That's just such dog shit. But yeah, writing, producing, acting, directing. That's what I'm doing. I mean, it's gonna be a solo movie, so yeah. I'll see if I can get other people involved, like from the second one. But yeah, alright. So let me keep writing that shit. Say something to the people.
What should I say?
What do you want to say? Anything?
I don't know. No one came to college today. बहुत खाली है आज.
You didn't see Varshita? She's with you, no?
Yeah, she's in my class. But the thing is that she wants to sleep. So I kind of left her alone. She really wants to sleep. So yeah.
What about you? Do you want to sleep?
I do want to sleep, but कल रात सोने की कोशिश करा था मैंने. But I barely got any sleep.
Do you have classes?
I have classes, but I have 5 classes today. But thankfully, data science tha 8 to 10. But thankfully, our ma'am is a goddess, Hima Bindu ma'am. She took attendance and she left us.
Wonderful. Not all of us get such data science teachers. Alright. Yeah, attendance कितना है?
Attendance, it's 89.77.
What the fuck are you doing in college today then? घर पे रहता मस्त.
भाई घर पे क्या करूँ मैं?
सो जा.
See,
Movie देख. Do you have pets?
no, I don't have any pets.
Understandable. चलो.
movie तो like you can watch it any day.
Yeah, you can watch it here also.
Yeah, I can watch it here as well.
फिर चल बैडमिंटन खेलने हैं हम लोग के साथ.
Badminton.
ये लोग खेल रहे हैं.
हाँ,
हर्षन ये लोग या नीथन ये लोग भी आ रहे हैं. ठीक है. Alright, cut to badminton. Cut to badminton. Full class video. Full class. There's no space to sit. Yo. फ्रंट बेंच में बैठना पड़ेगा सबको. Dead ass. चलो चलो. एक क्लास full नहीं रहा. Where are you going to find seats? भावेश. Bhavesh, class full in where are you going to find places to sit? Have you seen a more full classroom? No, right? Front bench में पूछा लोग.
Sir, look.
Sir, yeah. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it also. Alright, also, shameless of me watching it for the 1700th time. Go watch Marty Supreme, bro. Alright, so, first time in recorded human history the TT court is empty. So, yeah, this guy's calling. But, yeah, playing with an orange TT ball for the first time in a long time, I think. Huh? Pigeon.
Yeah, who's on to?
Bro, I had a deal. I told him I'd stop sliming the juice. I have a new ethnicity to slime now. I mean, I shouldn't tell you. What? It's the... Guess.
Harshan's calling.
Sure.
Harshan,
No, there's no TT ball.
we couldn't buy any of them.
Yeah, man.
Wait, Ray, I'm coming. 1 second. I'm kidding. We got it. Say the wrong. We got it.
Damn, bro. Big neat.
Can't lie to save my life.
Yeah. Alright, so the ethnicity I'm after now is them Tamil people, bro. Like, screw you. You know who I'm talking to. But yeah. Alright. Yeah. Battle of the mid. Right. I'ma be commentating Harshinator against APAC. As you can see, the skills. Harshan, the goat. It's never his fault. It's the racket. Then, yeah, against Mossad's finest. So yeah. Let's see. Hey, I play a game. No games? You guys don't want to play on Valentine's. That's crazy. Marty Supreme would watch this and kill himself. He did. I'm talking about... Yeah. Right. Facts. My bad. Turning in his grave. Timothy Chalamet would kill himself. Matcha. Love all. Today's message is love all. One love. Okay. Dominant display so far. Alright, Harshan. Ooh, two love. What is... This is peak game analysis. Serving while receiving, you know. Like zest. 2-1. That's what happens when both can't play. Janvi, what are your thoughts on the game so far? Yeah.
I'm equally surprised and equally disappointed in both of them.
Both? They're actually playing good.
I know.
What's the score? 3-2. Who's 3? Who's 2?
3 who is 2?
You're 3? You're leading? Nice. The Mossad agent.
Girlfriend, what do you think?
It's your girlfriend.
Yes.
Crazy. Says B and Lex, as my boy Arko would say. Right. So college में क्या कर रहे हो आप आज? What are you doing?
Classes.
You have 2 classes, no?
3.
3?
11 से 2.
Oh, 11 minor भी है क्या? You're coming to college for minors?
Attendance.
For minors, you know.
90 से बढ़ानी है मुझे.
ना जाओ तुम लोग. Coming to college for minors is crazy.
That is so wrong, Krishna.
No, that's why I said it. Alright. Yeah. Do you guys want to play table tennis? The level is, as you can see, insane. What's the score? 7-3. The Harshanator getting. Yeah, that's what. Getting dominated. Oh, service! Damn! 8-3. This is a demolition job, bro. 9-3. Bro, what are you doing? I don't know. Bro is trying to serve while receive, you know. Alright, sportsmanship, not smashing. Ball is ra. Okay. Is it still recording? Yeah. 0.4. 0.4. Janvi, you're getting a call. I don't check.
Check. Oh, my mom.
Anushka won. Oh, game 4. Hey, why do you play? Game over. Yes. Hello, mom. Done. Match over. Okay, come here for interview. How are you feeling after beating the Harshanator? Damn crazy.
My ass.
What do you want to say about Harshan? What do you want to say about the game?
Marty Supreme.
Post-match conference. Yeah.
Marty Supreme, you are the love of my life. Keep having more babies, bro. Oh no, you're dead. Sorry,
Keep
you're dead.
having more
You're dead, I'm
babies.
sorry.
Alright. No. This is a message to all Marty Supremes out there. Keep having more babies. Alright.
I confused Marty Supreme with Bob Dylan, so don't. I don't know.
Happens. Not really, but
Bunk and you're still not bunking. That's
called being live. It's called having a life. Coming to college is having It's called being life. There's no social life.
it's called having a life only. There's nothing.
Exactly. My point exactly.
It's called not having a life.
Ha, correct. You should come to college and bunk, no?
Exactly.
This is going to be, my dad's going to watch it and he'll be like, Acha.
Acha. Oh, then they'll introduce me, the 100%.
Right. 100%. Introducing what? What do you want your nickname to be? Like them WWE nicknames.
Oh, there's nothing like that.
You know that one kid in school जिसको पता है उसको कोई award नहीं मिलने वाला तो वो हर रोज आता है बस attendance का award लेने के लिए.
I know. He was homeschooled, so he's just.
You're homeschooled?
That's
Actually-
why he's just coming every day. To
How
fill
many
the gap.
how many years?
It's giving him my ID card.
Hey, were you actually homeschooled? How, 2 years? Which grade?
11th and 12th.
Oh, damn, man.
That's why that.
I was homeschooled as well for 2 years.
Technically,
Yeah.
दिमाग नहीं चलता.
5th, 6th, 7th,
technically count 9th and 10th.
6th.
Count 9th and 10th.
Alright, so music listening. I don't even know, bro. The music I listen to is but I don't know what to do. I genuinely do not know what the fuck I should do. I'm bored. There are no classes for like 2 more hours. Someone shoot me, bro. Need to be cooked. We are Charlie Cook. Alright, I'm so sorry if that offends anyone. I am beyond delirious.
A lot of plans.
Lot of plans, huh? You had?
I was supposed to have a lot of plans, but yeah, as the week started, my love life ended. So
Oh, damn.
yeah,
Shakespeare.
I'll pass it on to Anushka. Hopefully, she has something better to say.
गर्मी में डालो दूध में आइस दूध बन गया very nice दूध 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 दूध
Please cut it out. Cut it.
Yeah, just
Don't follow us. Cut it out.
nah. It's gonna be in the video. Yeah. So what she said.
All this shit is going on the internet.
Internet. Yeah.
Footprint type shit.
Right. Yeah. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I do not care for today or tomorrow or the day after or the other 365 days of the year. But yeah.
Nika,
What?
there was a mathematical error.
No. Yeah, I know. Whatever. Okay, the other 363 days of the year.
No,
It's not a leap year. How?
62 days.
How
You
62?
said
Ra?
today, tomorrow, or the day after.
Yeah, it's a figure of speech. Alright, bro. Okay, okay.
Hey, I'm just saying, man, get your math right.
Yeah, yeah.
Boys, go to school. This is what happens when you don't.
Yeah, this is what happens when you turn down fucking Australia for.
Average commerce student.
Yeah. So,
The average grade of
should have been out and about Macquarie second year. And I'm here with these people. Nah, I love these people, it's fine. Yeah. But, nah, it's crazy. Should have been there, bro. Down under with them koala bears. Yeah.
now where you're
there's a
here
panda.
Mm.
There's a panda, bro.
Yeah, I'm with you guys.
Panda bro, ida.
ikkada bro
Sigro wearing that venom shirt.
Yeah, alright.
Papa
See you Tuesday. Study well.
Bye, dog. Yeah. Yeah. I do not care for today. At all.
The fuck did we even do though? One fucking class.
One? You had one class?
Yeah.
I had zero.
I
Yeah.
know. At least attendance, bro. I'm just saying.
True, my attendance is up to 79 now. Any parting words?
gang?
Parting words.
Parting words.
आज के बारे में क्या बोलना है?
Boring day.
Yeah, facts. Yeah. Alright, so Vinay Semas, huh? Oh, nice. Alright. So what next Tuesday you're coming? Exam ki.
failing my exam bro
Watch her get like 4 O's.
no come on I'm actually
हाँ बोल ना.
Bag and come down.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't even start studying I'm gonna fail
Yeah, watch her get 4
I came
O's.
today to study I was watching Jujutsu Kaisen the entire time so watch me fail only O's I get are the O's in my obituary
What? That does not make any
the
sense.
O in my obituary
Yeah, what's that stand for? I don't know, I'm dumb.
the obituary is the
I know what an obituary is. I don't know what the O is.
the O
Oh, O in an obituary. Got it. Yeah,
oh
yeah.
my god
I'm slow. Yeah. Alright, so. No more words. Fuck Valentine's Day. Yeah. One last word.
congratulations
Are you okay? Are you mentally stable? At this point? I mean,
there are a lot of couples around us
yeah.
so
I don't know why I said at this point.
at this point
I should just say at any point.
at any point is the truth
Yeah.
oh my god
Where's your bus?
that's there lovely
Damn. Right there in the end.
at the end
Crazy.
I'll be back
Oh, you're keeping me back and coming? Alright, nice. Yo, everybody show some love to this tanker right here. This is such a goated tanker. I don't know, it's not really, but... Heh. Oh well. Show some tanker some love, bro. Look, poor guy's rusted. So, yo. Spam, we love you, tanker. In the comments. I'm retarded. What's up, dog?
I love this dog so much.
Yeah?
So sad, bro.
Crazy. Okay. Horde of couples? Nah, not really.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't seen any.
Dude, first day I came to college, I caught a couple like I was looking out of my bus.
Hmm.
And I'm just like looking, okay? I look out, I'm dazed. It's been a day of avoiding, being dragged. And like, I see a couple, girl is kissing this guy's neck. First day of my college. She's kissing this guy's neck. And like, the guy is kissing the girl's neck and she makes eye contact with me.
Oh, damn.
Not even Valentine's Day, bro.
Just normal days.
Is it okay?
Yo, say hi.
Ew.
Why the fuck are niggas doing that?
Lame.
I hate this about the iPhone, bro.
Why?
You can't flip the camera while recording.
I thought you could.
Nah, you can't.
So sad. You can do it on Instagram.
My
What?
bag is stuck.
I'll wait.
Okay. Yo. Ain't no double-decker bus crashing into me here.
You ain't in London, bro. No matter how much you want to be.
What? I'm not in London.
No matter how much he wants to be.
Why would I want to be in London?
Because you want to be crushed by a double-decker bus. Oh, you have double-decker buses in Hyderabad now.
True.
I forgot.
So yeah, my plan for tomorrow.
Will you schedule first?
I think you have to schedule, no?
The flight or the message?
The message? I've already scheduled it. Yeah. I'm pathetic, I know.
No. It's not pathetic. It's called being proactive.
Yeah. It's called being pathetic.
Proactive.
Sure. Scheduled a message, No, but I schedule messages for everyone.
What?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I'll text them later. Right?
I don't want to miss, I don't know, for me, wishing people on their birthday is very important because what if no one wishes them?
Bro.
Yeah, and my wish is the only wish they get. They might need it.
Compassion.
Yes.
So for his birthday, we were all on a video call, Harshan, him, Bhanu and I. And we were planning on changing the filters to birthday caps and singing happy birthday. But we were so focused on Dungeons and Dragons that we missed his birthday by 2 minutes. And Harshan was ready with a cap, but I wasn't. And we sang happy birthday anyways.
Wonderful people. Yeah, wonderful
Dungeons and Dragons, bro. We should play.
I got a call exactly at 12 this time from my birthday.
Oh, nice. Cool.
One of my friends from school.
That's nice. What my grandmom used to do, bless her soul, she used to call me she used to call. Alright, baby. What's that song? Rest in peace, mate.
By bazooka.
I wish it would have been a quick death for her, but no, she had to live a pain. Anyways, she used to call me 10 minutes before my birthday and made sure she stretched the conversation long enough.
That's sweet.
So that no one else but her could wish me exactly at 12. She was a vindictive, strategic warrior. Be like her.
Yeah, we all love grandma.
Peace out. I gotta go.
Peace out. Alright, bye.
Bye bye. All the best.
For exams. Yeah, all the best for you too. Bye. Alright, in the bus. On to reaching home. Alright, so the bus is so empty today. Everywhere is so empty today. Yeah. Also, yeah. Take me back. This time, last year, exactly. Take me back, man. Please. Nah, not really. So you gotta move on. Life goes on. Doesn't wait for anybody. Damn. Why am I moving like a philosopher? TK Socrates. So yeah. Also, y'all go listen to the song Gravity by Embrace. It's beautiful, especially if you're a fan of Oasis or someone like that. I think you guys might enjoy that song. I'm a huge fan of Oasis, and this is an English band as well, so it's wonderful. Gravity by Embrace. Listen to it. I think you guys might appreciate it. So yeah, TKC out. Look at the sky again. The sky is beautiful. Bellissimo. Yeah, I like golden hour skies. I mean, who doesn't? But then also, me saying I like golden hour skies is also hella performative, which I be getting allegations every day. I don't even know what to do with that shit. Because I'm not. I'm unironically performative. Which means I'm just the perfect human being in it. So people think I'm acting. No, I'm just kidding. I am just kidding. I might not be performative, but I'm hella narcissistic. I'm a big fan of myself. And I'm that guy, man. I'm kidding, bro. I don't actually think that highly of myself. I mean, I think very highly of myself, but not that highly. Yo. So, okay, I am gonna wrap today's video up. Quote of the day today. Not a quote, just a message for everybody. And yeah, I will acknowledge that today is the day of Saint Valentino, or Valentine's Day. And I'd like to tell you guys, whether you're single or dating or in a throuple or in a quadruple, God knows nowadays there are like so many kinds of things that you can be in, or if you're in a situationship, like get out of them and what are you doing? So yeah, I mean, if no one's told you this today or ever, or if you've been told this 100 times, I don't care, but if you're watching this video, all I want to tell you guys is I love you, and I hope you guys find what you're looking for. Peace. Adios, amigo.